Hi guys, Welsh Wyn here. Today I'm out in the Silver Lakes area of Pattaya, and I'm going to visit an attraction out here I haven't been to before. So I'm going to show you that. But first, I want to say a massive thank you. I finally reached 1,000 subs. Never thought I'd get there. So thank you to each and every one of you. It's only onwards and upwards now for me, hopefully. And I even want to say a thank you to one subscriber. He even called me a creep. So cheers, mate. Right, so today I'm out, like I said, Silver Lakes area, and I'm going to visit the Swiss sheep farm. Never been here before, but I have heard it's a pretty good place to go and spend a couple of hours. I'm paying 129 baht, which I booked online. I think on the gate it's 180. So yeah, this is it. Now, as a Welshman, I should know a little bit about sheep. So I don't know what sort of quality of sheep is going to be in here, or I have no idea what's in here at all. And before you put things in the comments regarding Welsh people and sheep, please be respectful. I've just made 1,000 subs. I don't want to lose and go back to about 900. Okay, let's go and have a look what it's all about. Well, I'm at the entrance and there's no ticket office. It looks absolutely dead here. Like I said, I booked a ticket online, but I just spoke to somebody now who said the restaurant is open, but they weren't sure if everything else was open. So I'll just walk as much as I can and show you what I can. I'm not going to bore you to death, so catch you in a bit. Still no sheep, but I found a horse in here. Nobody stopped me, I just walked in, didn't show a ticket, nothing. It looks as if it's closed, but I think you're allowed to just walk around. Well, it's closed but open in a way. It's a shame. I paid for a ticket. I didn't pay much, so that's a good thing. But I think this place, like many places, was hit by COVID, and they've just not recovered. Not yet anyway. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave here, and I'm going to go up the road to my favourite coffee place. So I'll have a coffee and a cake there and show you that as well. Guess what? I found some sheep. Not the best quality, but they're not too bad. So I'm at the Beverley Cafe, just up the road from the sheep farm, and I'm having a iced Americano, 60 baht, and the last cake in there, blueberry cake, 90 baht. So yeah, disappointing day today for filming actually, but in 10 days time I go back to Wales, so I'll see here plenty of sheep. I'll show you as I go back. I'll be home for 2 weeks, and then on the way back to Thailand I'll be calling in South Korea, in Seoul, for 4 days, so it'll be something new to film. So I hope you enjoyed the short video, guys. Thanks again for the subs. I know a lot of my subscribers don't like attractions, apart from the female attractions maybe, but yeah, please hit the like button and please subscribe. They're going up slowly. See you soon. Cheers.